Shake a paw. People always get a kick out of shaking hands with a dog, so I love to teach this trick. Some dogs naturally like to use their paws more than others, so dogs learn this trick at different speeds. Now to teach shake hands, I start with a little bit of food treat, and I'm going to hold it in my closed fist real low to the ground. As soon as Quinn even lifts his paw slightly an inch off the ground, I'm going to open my hand and give him the treat. So Quinn, can you get it? Sit. Get it. Good boy. Very nice. Can you do that for us again? Sit. Get it? Good. Very good. As it gets better, you can raise your hand a little bit more off the ground. Get it? Very good. Good job. Now, Quinn is a very pawsy dog, but you're going to find some dogs are more apt to nose their hand instead of using their paw. If this is the case, try just tapping or barely lifting their paw to get him to lift it up. All right, let's give it a try with some other dogs. Reward your dog for just barely lifting his paw.
Yeah, good boy. Good.
It's best to give your dog his reward while his paw is lifted and not after he has put it back down.
Shake. Good. Good boy. Good job. One more. Sit.
Once your dog is pawing at your hand with about 75% success, it's time to start upping the ante and requiring him to put that paw higher and hold it longer. Good boy. Can you shake? Very good. The next thing I'm going to do is to hold that treat in my left hand instead of my right. Hey, sit. Hold out my right hand. Good. And then give him the treat. It's best to try and support their paw while you give them the treat so that you're giving them the treat while they're in the correct position. What a polite pooch. All right, let's recap this trick. Good boy. Hold a treat in your fist near the ground and encourage your dog to get it. Reward your dog the moment his paw comes off the ground. Gradually up the ante and require your dog to lift his paw higher. Hold out your hand for your dog to shake. While his paw is in your hand, give him a treat from your other hand. Practice a couple of times per day and always leave off on a high note.